My name is Vanun Patel, and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem. Problem number 2351. First letter to appear twice. Now I will read once a detailed description about a given problem statement, and then I will explain you in simple words. So first of all, given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters, return the first letter to appear twice. Note: a letter A appears twice before another letter B. If the second occurrence of A is before the second occurrence of B, then S will contain at least one letter that appears twice. So in this we have to return a first letter appear to be twice. As let's say, let's take my name Manan, Manan. So in that, first of all, first letter M, it is a single letter, then A, then N, then A will repeat. So I have to return A, not N. As N is also repeating twice, and A is also repeating twice, but A occur first, so we have to return A, not N. By To solve this, we will use a container STL container unordered map. Let me introduce unordered unordered map. In this, we will store as key. It stores key and value. So in key we will store string, and in value we will store integer. As string will string as string not string, we will store character. Let's say MANAN. So unordered map will contain M, and its number of time it has been repeated. So int will equals to 1, and then A occurs at A and 1. After that N and 1. When the second A will come, character of A will change its second value as 1 to 2, and we will apply one if condition. As if the unordered map or a character contains equals to 2, then you have to return. Let's say I will run one for loop. In that, I equals to 0, and I will initialize that at s dot size. It goes up to s dot size, and then I plus plus, and now I will initialize that m of s of I and plus plus. So by these, first of all, MP is our unordered map. It is container, and in that our first key is character. So s of I, that means a current character which will be running in for loop, and plus plus, it means initial value equal it mean that initial value is equals to 0, and it must be plus plus. So our first, when the character, let's say example 1, first of all our for loop will run through first character is A. So A is not in our unordered map, so A will firstly initialize, and then after its value as 0, initially equals to 0, then it plus plus. So A equals A is value, A is key, and then value will equals to 1. So if the second time A will occur, then it first search in our map. Let's say A is there or not. If it exists, then it will be plus 1 time. That I am saying that let's say I am saying that, let's say A occurs second time. Then it will search in unordered map that A is occur or not. A is firstly initialized or not. If it gets initialized, then it will plus plus, and 1 will its A's key will 1, initially 1. So it will increment by 1 to 2, and we will and in very next step we will check that MP of s of I equals to 2. If it equals to 2, then we will return MP s of I. Let me check. So we have to at last, if all the strings are distinct or the characters are distinct, then we have to return something in the end. So we will return one last value as a string as 0 slash 1, oh sorry, slash that z slash comma slash in 0. Our all test cases has been passed, and now let me submit this, hopefully. Yeah, we have passed all test cases, 92 test cases, and its runtime is 0 milli per second, and it takes 8.30 MB. Thank you very much.